Wealth. After 50 presents. Teach your kids to invest. They'll thank you later. Imagine you could plant a single seed with your children today that could one day be worth more than every dollar you'll ever give them. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to explain investing using words they already live and breathe: a piece of Disney, a share of Nike, or even a slice of Domino's. Here's how you explain the most powerful force in finance: compounding. Tell them their money can make its own money. You start with a little bit, and it earns interest. But then, that interest starts earning its own interest. It's like a video game glitch for your bank account. A single dollar, left alone, slowly starts building a team of other dollars. That's compounding. It's how a small seed grows into a forest. Ask your child, you know how you can own a slice of pizza? What if you could own a slice of Disney? Suddenly, a stock is just a piece of a company they already love. If Disney does well, more movies, more people in the parks, their slice gets bigger. This works for almost any brand in their life: Apple, McDonald's. If they use it and love it, they can own a piece of it. Now, ask them, would you build a baseball team with 9 pitchers? Of course not. You need different players with different skills. Investing is the same thing. You don't put all your money on one company. You spread it out. That way, if one of your trees has a bad season, the whole garden doesn't die. You just explained diversification without using a single boring word. Step 1. Open a custodial account online. This is a simple investment account an adult manages for a minor. It takes about 10 minutes, and you'll just need your info and their social security number. You can start with as little as $5 and buy a fractional share, a small piece of one stock. Step 2. Track it. Use an app like Greenlight or Fidelity Youth so they can see what's happening. Greenlight is a great all-in-one family finance app that lets you assign cores and invest, though it has a monthly fee. The Fidelity Youth account is a free brokerage account designed for teens aged 13 to 17 to invest for themselves. Step 3. Set up a small automatic deposit. Even $10 a month on autopilot shows them how consistent, small actions build up over time. Step 4. Review it on their birthday. Just ask one question. Do you want to sell, hold, or plant another seed? No lectures, just choices. Explain market drops like weather. Some days are sunny, and some days are thunderstorms. It can be scary in the middle of a storm, but spring always comes back. Show them a chart of the S&P 500 over the last 20 years. Zoomed in, the squiggly lines look like pure chaos. But when you zoom out, you see a clear, steady climb upward. It's the ultimate picture of why patience pays off. Ages 5 through 8. Keep it physical. Use a clear jar and real money. Let them see it physically grow. Ages 9 through 12. Open that custodial account. Let them pick 1 or 2 stocks of companies they love. For fun, you can set up a free mock portfolio on a site like MarketWatch to let them experiment without risk. Ages 13 plus. Let them take the lead with a teen-focused account like the Fidelity Youth account. Give them a small amount, like $50, to manage. When they start earning dividends, they'll understand the game. Get a jar and label it the Future Fund. Every Friday, everyone in the family can throw in their spare change. Once a quarter, you all vote on what stock to buy with the money. This turns a lesson into a family habit. One day when they're 18, you hand them the login. The small seeds you helped them plant have grown into something real. Maybe their first car, a down payment on a place, or just a massive head start in life. They'll have a foundation of financial knowledge that most people never get. That's the real win. If you're waiting for the perfect time to start, just remember the old saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. And remember, it's never too late to grow your wealth after 50.